On this Junior's Gasoline Alley, we're going to take my 2017 Focus ST from looking a little weak to looking more tough with some Eibach 20mm wheel spacers. To do this, all you're really going to need is a small toolkit, an impact if you've got one, a torque wrench, you're going to need a jack, and then of course the Eibach wheel spacers. So I've got the Eibach wheel spacers. It's part number S90-4-20-008B. B just indicates that this is going to be the black wheel spacer. So let's pop it out of the package. Now I went with Eibach just because it's a really well-known brand and I want to make sure that we get some safe wheel spacers. Now you're going to get the new lug nuts. These are going to be the lug nuts that go on with your wheel spacer. So this is a pretty nice looking wheel spacer. 20 millimeters thick. You can see all of the part numbers. These are made in Germany, and I like that because I just didn't want to put a wheel spacer that I didn't know the quality of or from China. And the quality of this wheel spacer definitely doesn't disappoint. I think it looks very nice here, and I have no questions whether or not this is going to be strong. So now just pop the wheel off and we'll get these installed. Be sure to clean off the hub. Get that nice and ready to go. Now you can just take your spacers, slide them right onto place, and then this is set up with 5 of these nuts here that are going to go right on. So go ahead and do that. We're just threading these on to start off with. Once you've got those on, you're just going to set your torque wrench to the manufacturer torque spec. And once you're certain they're all up to torque, we can put the wheel on. Now, one thing to mention is after you use these for a few miles, it's going to be a good idea, pop your wheel back off and recheck the torque. Since this is aluminum, it can settle a little bit. So let's go ahead, get that wheel on. Put your wheel on, make sure that it goes flush with the spacer. Where those lugs were sticking out should go into the pocket on the back side of the wheel. If it doesn't go flush, then it's not safe. So this is really on you to make sure that it's a safe setup for you. And again, be sure to tighten to manufacturer torque specs. And once that's done, now you can just lower the car back down. And you've got your spacers on. So this is the final result with the 25mm Eibach wheel spacers. I gotta say, I think it looks pretty awesome. Car's done a good job of having a nice stance. I think the 25mm spacers do really great justice to get the wheels to be very flush with the fender. You can see it sticks in just a little bit, and then on the front, if the wheel were straight, you'd actually see that it's nearly flush. But overall, I think the look is just really nice. Now, I've had them on the car for about a month now, and they're holding up well. They look nice inside of there, and it just has worked out pretty well. So go ahead, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Let me know if you think that the 25mm spacers were the right choice, if I should have done something different. And go ahead, hit that thumbs up button if you've enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this into the future.